Okay, guys, I'm here in the car and we're gonna get ready for a birthday party. And I have something new in my pouch. Here. Before we try this, sorry, I usually put blush first. So I'm using this fresh tomato. So guys, story time. Nagpa-professional hair and makeup kami a few weeks back. Tapos kausap ko yung makeup artist. Tapos man sabi ko na, yeah, my blush is just Careline. Tapos sabi niya, don't tell me it's fresh tomato. It's fresh tomato. Oh, ay! Oh. So, you'll choose left or right. Hala, ba't wala nang cover tong isa? Right. Is that satisfying or what? So, clickable siya. Ah! Ay, oh! Pawis! Pawis yung lip. Magil, ang ganda! May lampas! Sorry na. Love it! I love this, guys! I love this. Can't wait to try this. Maybe I'll try this shade later. Hindi naman nakaganon. My mom's calling.